This is our Yantra Design Internship Program Team Lab in a Box. The aspect of the design was enhancing the unboxing experience and securely transporting the components. The 5 stages of design thinking include empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing phases. In the process of analyzing these stages, we came to know that the current lab in a box opens like a trolley bag. It has developer boards on the top and assorted components at the bottom. The main disadvantages of this lab are as there exists no table to place the components, so the user has to bend every time when he or she wanted to work with or for accessing the components. And picking the components is difficult as the upper part has to be taken out and then we find the components at the bottom. Further, we performed market survey for available options in the market and started drawing ideas on characteristics of the box. Some of them are lightweight, sturdiness, and ease of operations. Advanced to this, we generated a few user scenarios. Those include how can user travel with the box, how can user place the box in vehicles, how can a user interact with the class using the box. These scenarios led to create the project more briefly and all the needs and wants are bifurcated. Post that, we created wheels for the box, handles with an ergonomic feature for holding, and various types of tabletops as well as unboxing experience with the box. Further, we created 2 concept designs, namely slide opening box and cupboard style box. Due to better functionality and ease of operations, the slide opening box was selected as the final design. Now, creating a sliding mechanism for moving into intersections, a variety of them were tested and a linear bearing with rod was the safest one that all the user requirements are satisfied. We tried numerous ways to achieve seamless stable experience to user. In those, we found a better one, that is, during the brainstorming session with mentors, we mutually created a new opening style for the box similar to a tiffin box. The top lid consists of 2 U-bend pipes that can be used as legs for the table, and these legs are extendable. Now coming to branding part, we created a theme that shows EYDIP brings us a biggest project-based learning competitions which works with students all over India, shows its diversity, helps children in developing their knowledge, motivates them and make them run towards a better future. Finally, coming to the end design as follows. Firstly, remove the top lid of the box and transform it into a flexible table and place it aside and the box is kept on the table. Now slide the upper part of the box to its left and right and the middle section is comprised with a pit lift mechanism and it looks like a base table after lifting it. The upper plane of left and right parts of the box are specifically designed transparent for the convenience of the user as he or she could know what resides inside the box without opening. And in the desk of the left section consists of development boards and microprocessors. The right section desk consists some space for web and kinetic sensors. Finally, while opening the top plate of the middle section, we can see 4 boxes and under that other 4 boxes are placed in the drawer. Lastly, we can work with multiple assorted components by placing on the base table. Coming to differences, the current box does not have a table, while in the design box, the lid is converted into height flexible table. In the current box, acquiring components is difficult as the user has to bend every time. But in the design box, bending is not required as the box is placed on the table. In the current box, picking the components is difficult as the upper part is removable. But in the design box, we have a sliding mechanism. In the current box, working with multiple components is difficult as there doesn't exist a workbench. But in the design box, it is easy because after sliding the upper part of the box, it becomes as a base table. The current box comprises of 2 wheels, so it is difficult to climb the staircase, but the design box has 4 wheels which made it easy to climb up the stair.
My name is Aditya and I was a part of Team Lab in a Box. I come from a CAD modeling background wherein functionality of a model is given more importance than the aesthetics. Being a part of this internship program helped me understand more about the aesthetics and making a model more user-centric while giving it vivid colors so that it pleases the user as well as the people surrounding with the model. It was really a good experience being a part of Team Yantra and understanding the concept of product development as well as design cycle in detail.
Hi, myself Karthik. I learned many things while designing this user-friendly box model and I had a great experience even working remotely and I was proud being part of this Yantra internship with all my support to mentors. Thank you.